Welcome to what I like to call a perfect day. It is absolutely beautiful here. How could I not video this? We wasn't going to. We was going to take a day off of videoing, but it is such a perfect day. It's such a perfect location. I just had to bust out the GoPro. Take a look at this place and listen to the birds. How perfect is that? Just turn around so you can see our direction of travel. We're going to be walking along this towpath to a rather special place. It's a graveyard, but not an ordinary graveyard. All will be revealed when we get there. So let me give you a little backstory on how we ended up in this rather perfect location on this rather perfect day. As you all know, I've been working on my van, trying to get it fixed, trying to sort out all the little niggling problems. So I said to Rebecca this afternoon, hey, let's go for a little drive, take Mary for a spin, see how she goes. This is where we ended up. Welcome to Purton Ship Graveyard. And here is a list of all the vessels that made this their final resting place. Let's take a little look around. Is that a concrete barge?
Yeah, 3 altogether.
Oh yeah, look at that. I used to play on concrete barges when I was a kid. And yeah, they did actually float once. There's one in Greenhive, near the shipyard where I grew up. Let's go down here. Try not to fall over. I'll get a better look at it. Yeah. I think these were made during the war, the Second World War. It was a quick and easy way to build a barge. Oh, this one's a little bit tricky. I've not been on one of these for a very long time. There we go. There's quite a few here. It's quite nice to see. I used to actually play in one of these. I used to get down inside it and rummage around. Oh, it's bringing back some weird memories, I can tell you. Look at that. Basically just a bunch of concrete barges left over from the war. There's another one up there on the bank there, look. Mind Monty, if he falls off, he's a goner.
Monty, please don't.
I'll come up because he's trying to get to me, isn't he?
Yeah.
You really don't want to slip and fall in that. Although, saying that, I'd love to get down there with my waders and my metal detector. Come on, back up there.
If you were more like a sprightly dog,
Yeah.
then fine, but you're not.
No, we don't want him falling in that mud.
No.
I don't fancy jumping in to get him.
I know, no.
Although I would jump in and get him.
I know you would.
You sure you want to go down there? That looks a bit treacherous. I'll film just in case you fall over. You never know your luck.
Oh!
There we go.
Really?
So I'm going over it. I'm not going round it.
This way. Monty, why are you going back?
Ooh. That's instant karma right there.
Oh,
Look, I think we come the wrong way. There's a path there.
Oh.
We'll be rebels and go over the top.
The only problem with being short, though, you can barely get over. Oh.
I'm horrible, aren't I? Such a gentleman. I'll make sure I hold the camera and film it. How can I help her when I'm holding the camera? Enjoying yourself in the mud? He's looking back going, I want to go back to the van. There's quite a lot of these plaques around, isn't there?
Yeah.
I haven't got my goggles on. Oh look, Mary Ann. Built in Gloucester 1870. There you go.
Beached 1936.
I've been here a while then. It's incredible to think that this boat, this vessel, is actually made out of concrete. Take a look at the length of it. And this did float once. And float well they did. So, is that mate? Is it English? We'll go with it. Right.
But it's kind of eerie and cool at the same time though, isn't it? It would make for great photography.
Yeah.
In black
Should
and
have
white.
brought my camera.
Yeah.
I'm not even going to think about walking down there. Taking a photo?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, shall I?
There you go.
Rebecca taking a photo for the thumbnail. Walk along that railing and then you can hold on to the railing.
Good idea.
Come on, monster.
Da-da-da-dun,
Should have wore wellies.
da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-dun,
I'm going to carry on filming you. Just in case.
Yeah, right.
I think we'll come back a different way. We'll go along that path there, I think. Look, Monty's clever. Monty's not stupid.
Right, no, he's not stupid, is he?
Last time I saw something like that, I was actually on the bottom of the ocean in my scuba gear. It's weird walking around here.
Yeah.
It's a bit bizarre because I'm used to swimming around stuff like this. What's the name of your Instagram account?
It's the.sacred.traveller.
Okay, we'll put a link in the description. She does take some fantastic photos. She's got a really good eye for photography. We'll leave Rebecca to do her photography. It's sad to think that in a little while, well, in a few short years, there probably won't be a lot left here. Look at that, I'm standing where there was once a hull of a boat. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. See what other wonders. Oh, this is another boat here. Look at that. Just make it out in the grass. Something a bit special up here because it's got a barrier all the way around it. So this boat must be something special. I'd have loved to come here when I was a kid. I would have had such fun. This one must be special because it's all cordoned off. Look at this. I just got to be careful I don't fall over. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking at where I'm going. This boat is the same age as me. Look at that. I like to think I've weathered better. Unbelievable. To think that boat is the same age as me. Look at it. That really makes me feel old. Oh Lord. Now I really do feel old. This boat was built the same year that I was born.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you've definitely fared off better.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind of you for saying. It's Harriet.
Built Honey Street, Robbins Lane and Finnegar.
There you go.
Beach 1964.
Oh, beached in 1964.
Yeah.
Oh, it wasn't built in 19...
No, it's built in 1905.
Oh, 1905. Oh, right. That's what you get for not wearing your glasses.
He was thinking all morbid.
That makes me feel a lot better, I can tell you. It's not as old as me. It's considerably older. And I feel considerably a lot better about that.
I think, yeah.
So this was beached the same year that I was born, just to make a little slight correction there. And I think we should head back to Mary.
Yeah, I think so.
Looking at those clouds, once again, the minute I get my camera out, the clouds seem to come over and rain on my parade. Does it all the time. I seem to end all my videos with the words, looks like it's going to rain, so I'm going to have to end this video.
Oh, can we stop at this little library? I'd like to go and have a look at it.
Sure, my dear. Just pull over here.
Pull over.
Is there anything you want at the library?
Not sure.
Okay.
Go and have a look.
All right, have a little look.
It's so cool.
Anything you like? Oops. Should we go and have a look with her?
series 3.
That's so funny.
There's loads of stuff in here.
How cool is that? Look at that. I'll leave you to it.
I